Meanwhile, the BJP is holding its own dharna to protest against the crackdown on Saturday night. Top party leaders like L.K. Advani, Nitin Gadkari, Arun Jaitley and Sushma Swaraj have been attending. Rahul Srivastav has more.
The BJP's 24-hour sit-in dharna against the action of the government on demonstrators who were sitting with Baba Ramdev at the Ramlila ground continues at the Rajghat. And the high point of perhaps this dharna is that after a series of lectures, addresses by senior leaders, what we find here is Mr. L.K. Advani, senior most leader, who is still sitting around, and he's planning to perhaps stay the night out. And Mr. Advani has told us that if the party has announced that all the top leaders are going to be sitting on dharna for 24 hours, and L.K. Advani is going to, in fact, he has just now been joined by his daughter, who is worried at her 85-year-old father spending the night out in the open. The BJP president, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, is also with him, and so is senior leader Mr. S.S. Ahluwalia. Not only is Mr. L.K. Advani and Mr. Nitin Gadkari sitting here out in the open right across the Rajghat, but we found all the BJP's top spokespersons like Ravi Shankar Prasad, Nirmala Sitharaman, J.P. Nadda and Shahnawaz Hussain sitting on a bus stand right across the road and perhaps trying to escape the heat, which was because of thousands of people who were gathered at the BJP dharna. From here, the BJP will wait for all its top leaders to return in the morning so that they can sustain this protest. Importantly, last time when the parliament session had ended, the BJP was worried how to sustain its protests till the next parliament session. And perhaps the Anna Hazare protest, Baba Ramdev's protest have helped the BJP. What the worrying trend for the government should be that not only is the BJP articulating attacking the government, but also parties like the left, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Samajwadi Party and others have also joined in on what happened at the Ramlila ground. And perhaps this is where the BJP feels that by the time the next session of parliament starts, the government will be taken to task, tough questions will be asked, and perhaps the corruption issue might reach some kind of a high point by the time the next session reaches. But till then, at the BJP sit-in dharna at Rajghat, we can see that Mr. L.K. Advani, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, others are all sitting here, and perhaps they are planning to spend the night here. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastav for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.